So this video picks up from where I left off. Previously I went from the High Jamrock Cafe to the port. There's the port. And now I'm going to continue down from the port down a place called the Boulevard, which is kind of that part over there. It's kind of the main hangout spot for people here in the city. So the port area gets pretty busy, especially around holidays. Right now it's a holiday in the States, not so much here. Thanksgiving is this week, the last week of November. But in the Philippines that doesn't mean anything. So just a normal week. A lot of cities seem to be having their annual festivals this time of year, their fiestas, as they call them. I think Dumaguete just had one recently that just ended. So Suleiman University over there, that was a university, or still is a university, that was founded by an American long ago. 1901. One of the best universities in the Philippines. One of the few universities that actually has a campus, just a Western style campus. I don't know if you can see back there, but it's all grass and trees. Many universities, many colleges here are just in office buildings. Nothing pleasant to look at. No place to go outside to study. So this is the Boulevard, as locals call it. Very busy road, as you can see. Dumaguete is a provincial capital, but they do not have any stoplights of any kind. So just like in Vietnam, traffic just pretty much flows everywhere and anywhere. As you can see, tricycles are the main form of transportation. At nighttime, right along here where these cars and vehicles are parked, they have little tables set up, and they sell balut, which is a duck egg, pretty much. The locals like to eat those. That Bricks Hotel over there, that's a pretty new hotel. Pretty pricey, but if you want something nice, it's going to cost you a little money. Yeah, this is the back of the sign. I'll show you guys in a minute. But I wanted to show you guys the back of this sign. This little plaza area is pretty new. Pretty new. And it looks like they're setting up for some sort of concert. At nighttime, this sign is lit up in different colors. People love to take pictures in front of it. In the daytime too, I suppose. Tom coffee from Thailand. A lot of coffee shops and restaurants along this strip. I think they call that Boss Coffee, Bo's Coffee. That is Filipino coffee. not a big coffee person, so I couldn't tell you if it's good coffee or bad coffee. This is one of the main roads that will take you into the actual city center area. We're about 3 or 4 blocks from the actual city center, and maybe I'll take you along there a little later if I can. At nighttime, these restaurants are all pretty busy. In the daytime, a lot of these open air restaurants don't do so well because it's too hot, and most of the foreigners that are here, they want air conditioning. So there are some restaurants with air conditioning, not many. Burger delights. I'll tell you right now, there's nothing delightful about those burgers. Bogart's, very popular foreigner hangout in the evening. You'll find some other Philippine vloggers that like to hang out there. This is on the bus route going out to town. If you want to ride a bus, you just flag it down like a taxi and just hop on. You don't necessarily have to go to the bus station, which is kind of cool. You know, in New York, you got to go to the Port Authority if you want to catch a bus. You're not going to catch a bus, you know, on 42nd Street. You got to actually go to the terminal. So Casablanca's, that's this place here, one of the most highly rated restaurants in the city. I ate there once or twice. It's okay. Nothing to write home about. There's a 7-Eleven. 7-Eleven, same one as in the States. They carry slightly different products. You're not going to find what do you call it? Big bites. They do have hot dogs, but they're not big bites. Over there, Chinlong, that is one of the Chinese restaurants here. One of the few places I actually see garbage cans. Places to sit. There are some foreigners over there. This place is home to many, 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 many older foreigners. Not too many younger guys like me. That's the rest of this little walkway, but I'm gonna kind of stick close to the road here for a little bit so I can show you some more places. Looks like a rainstorm's coming a little later. I'm glad I'm filming now and not later. San Rival's, another popular place in the city. I guess the bakery is very renowned. I've never been there. Kind of an interesting little thing here. Ah, that's what this is. The Sisters of St. Paul of Charters. Right there. Not too much grass here, unfortunately. We got Yellow Cab Pizza across the street, which is kind of like New York style pizza. But nothing matches pizza from New York. Max's restaurant. Upstairs is a place called Gabby's, which has a really good breakfast, a really good French toast. Not too bad. It looks like one of the ferries taking off for somewhere. Why Not is another popular restaurant, delicatessen. Looks like a travel agency too, karaoke bar. At nighttime it's a disco, I believe. Never been there. Not many discos here. There's a bus, no air conditioning. Pretty much the windows stay open. The bad part is if it rains, you gotta close the windows and then it becomes really, really uncomfortable on the bus. Honeycomb. Last night I was here. They got a little stage. There was actually a band playing. The problem with the Honeycomb is it's a hotel, and the band was playing until midnight over there. So, not the quietest place to be if you want any sleep, unfortunately. You kind of have to watch where you walk, because look at this. Break your ankle or break your leg if you step off wrong. When I first came here, one of the first times I did, I almost broke something. I guess it's for the rainwater, like rainwater, or the seawater if the sea ever comes in during a storm. This is another hotel, I believe. Let me give you a wider view. There we go. Some more restaurants. No parking. There's a nice breeze today, which is making this walk tolerable. If it wasn't for the breeze, I wouldn't be showing you any of this right now. So any of these streets go up to the city center, and the city center is not much different than any other Philippine downtown. It's all pretty much the same. So nothing special. But it's the Boulevard that Dumaguete is famous for. I'm gonna have to tread this part carefully. Whoa. So I do believe this over here is the first Starbucks in Dumaguete. So a little taste of Seattle here in the Philippines. In Cebu, where I live, there's many Starbucks, but this is the first, and this has only been open for about a year or so. The other place next to it, Jerry's, it's Filipino food. They have a couple of Jerry's restaurants in California. Nothing special. I've eaten there once or twice. Really nothing to write home about. This building, I think they abandoned construction years ago. There's nobody working on it. It's been in the same state for years. I don't know what they'll do with this eventually. I don't know what it's supposed to be. If it's supposed to be a condo, if it's supposed to be a hotel. I have no idea. Over here, some kind of promenade. I think at nighttime, maybe on the weekends, I think they have like a night market along here. Ah, this breeze is great. I don't know if you can see off in the distance some kids playing there in the rocks. Over there is the port we started at 15 minutes ago. Rotary Club. I think at nighttime they do chair massages. You can sit in the chair, they'll massage your shoulders for a couple bucks. Yeah, honking is a big thing here. So the Dumaguete beach court. So I've seen them play soccer. They play volleyball out here. Most of the times I've been here, it's been volleyball. Well, kind of cool to have that along the beachfront. Bunch of seating areas. People taking a snooze or a siesta. Looks like some little stores, clothes, accessories. Not very busy. And this is pretty much the end of the tour. Got some toilets that are open at night. That's about it. So that was the Boulevard. I would take a video at nighttime, but it's not really lit up as well as I would like it, so I don't think it would be a good quality video. Alright, if you like this video, well, like it, and subscribe to the channel for some more videos. See you next time.